friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on NRI Day, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. NRI Day, also called Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, is celebrated on 9 January every year. 2. It honors Indians living abroad who contributes to India's progress. 3. The date marks Mahatma Gandhi's return to India from South Africa in 1915. 4. NRIs help India by sharing culture and traditions across the world. 5th. They also support the Indian economy through investments and remittances. 6. On this day, the government connects with NRIs to discuss their ideas and issues. 7. Awards are given to NRIs for their achievements and service to India. 8. Events and programs celebrate their bond with the motherland. 9. NRI Day reminds us of the global presence of Indians. 10. It strengthens India's pride and unity with the world. Thank you for watching my video. Like and share and subscribe my channel.